Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Bitcoin had a pump going on and we are going to see what do we do next. Also, the CPI data revealed yesterday and we had the lowest inflation rate and lower actually than expected, right? And we are going to see what is going to happen next because these are short-term pumps with the CPI data news and stuff like that. However, this particular pump has something much more significant than other pumps. And than other days, we had the CPI data news and then we broke down. However, right now, this is not the case. And I'm going to explain what we need. Also, I would like to tell you that only 2 spots left for the third tier. The third tier in Patreon/MindYourCrypto has only 10 people limit. And right now we are having 8 people. So only 2 people remaining. And of course, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Bitcoin. So BTC against USDT chart. Right here you can see that we are going all the way up higher, getting even higher than the 17.4k that we needed to go, right? And we had the pump going on right here, eventually a nice breakout to the upside. 20-day MA, 50-day MA crossing above the 200 moving average. This usually brings nice pumps, right? And you can see that right now what Bitcoin needs to do. It is that, first of all, we did it on the daily frame. We did it in the 4-hour frame as well. Now, the last step is to do it in the weekly scale. Now, if we close above in the weekly scale, I have something very good to tell you. Bitcoin can manage to go even to the 22,000 Tether USD, 22.5 and so on. This is from here, from where we are right now, a nice 27% profit target. For Bitcoin, it seems like right now, we are not so certain, we are not so sure about whether we close above in the weekly scale. For example, right here, for me personally, what we need to do, it is to climb up to the high of the 18.6k, and then we correct by the end of the week, but we will be so far away from 17.4k that we won't care. Okay, so what we need to do is simply something like this. But at the end of the day, anything above the 17.4k by the end of the week, I mean that if we are far above on Sunday, then the best part is that Bitcoin can manage to go all the way up to the 22.6k and of course going also to the 19.7k as well, to 19.8. This will be the first major resistance along with the 18.6. You can see that the 18.6 is one of the most important resistance levels, and the next one should be the case that it is the 22.7k, because 18.6 was the support level back here and back there as well. So you can see if we find rejection right here, then that means that we are going to go probably down. However, if we close above the weekly frame, above the 17.4k, I am telling you right now, the most important part to realize it is that we have multiple chances into going into an impulsive wave mode in the daily frame, not an impulsive wave yet in the weekly, but we will be close enough. And this is the best part for Bitcoin. Right now, let's see a little bit about the risk metrics. Risk is here. Okay, we still have a little bit of a high risk with the almost 80 in the RSI right now. We are sitting at a 78.20. Okay, and in the lower time frames, we have a little bit of a high risk as well. Okay, but nothing hugely special. What I think about BTC, it is that it can manage to go even higher despite the risk that we are having, but we have to be careful as well, right? Okay, because this risk can bring us all the way back to have a correction towards the 17.4k. My goal is not to lose this support level by the end of the week. Okay, and of course, right here, what we need to do, it is simply to hold it as support level. Nothing else, nothing more. And the 18.6k will be very easy to achieve. Okay, and we are going to go all the way up there. We just want to hold this line. Now, if Bitcoin goes beyond this line, let's say that we lose it, right? And the weekly frame we close below, then this will bring some disastrous news in for Bitcoin and the crypto market. We are going to go down to the 16.7k to 16.8 and even further down to the 16.5. I wouldn't want Bitcoin to do that. And I think that we can write history. You do not know how important this closing above condition is. As you all know, watching me, and if you are a new viewer, I always said that 17.7k was the bottom and we would have a fake out towards the 16.2k before we start the next bull cycle. It seems like if we close above the 17.4k, I will be closer to that successful call, right? And this is why I am a little bit biased about that. I wanted to close above. However, I have to announce the other thing. What if we close below? If we close below, then probably we are going to go further down into the lows of 16.2k again, 16.5 and so on. However, the chances of closing above are very, very good. I really hope that we do that in the weekly scale so we can start something more impulsive finally for the crypto market and not something boring. Also, 2 spots left for the third tier position. For other positions, we have many open spot lefts. Okay, do not worry about that. But for the third tier, we only have a 10 people limit and it will stay as 10 people limit. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join and see you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.